So, are you umming and ahhing and wondering if now is the right time? Well, let me put a question to you. If you were to say delay your professional development, everything gets delayed. Okay. So, if you wait 6 months, 12 months, that's 6 or 12 months where you could have been applying yourself in a whole nother level. And I know this because that's how I have grown in my career, and that's how I help my clients grow in their careers. The sooner you start, the faster the trajectory, okay? Because we do so much work on your mindset, on your inner confidence. How you see yourself is then how you project yourself. So if you're doubting your abilities, doubting your word, doubting your ideas, you're keeping yourself playing small. And it's my joy and pleasure to bring that out of you so that you stop playing small and start filling up the room with your presence, your energy, what you've got to give and offer this world. Because we need you. The world needs you. I truly believe that. So come and join one of my workshops. Come and join one of my programs. I can't wait to meet you. The time is now.